Self-empowered healing is a new healthcare option that puts you in control of your wellness. I'm pleased to offer a 2-hour live workshop with Unity Holistic Wellness Center on Saturday, May 21st at 9:30 in the morning. During the workshop, we'll explore the what and how to turn on the innate healing intelligence already built into your body. Use live exercises to link your body, mind, emotions, and spirit to coordinate your own healing from the inside out. Integrate the best evidence-based techniques that allow you to empower your own health journey. Tap into your own innate healing intelligence with safe, natural methods. We'll use a flow process to determine where to start on your health transformation. We discuss how to find the knowledge you need to take action. Get detailed instructions on how to apply that knowledge to take charge of lifestyle changes to address nutrition, sleep, exercise, and stress management. Learn how and when to withdraw from medications and employ powerful mind-body techniques for better outcomes. We'll address stumbling blocks and help you maintain those levels of wellness to live your most abundant life. Join us on Saturday to kickstart your self-empowered healing journey. Just go to Unity Holistic Wellness Center online to register or come early to get a ticket to the live event. See you on Saturday.